good morning, good afternoon, good night, good evening to you wherever you are when you start watching this little vlog. This is a around the house vlog today. Today is Wednesday. It is another beautiful day in spite of what is happening because we have been granted the gift of life once more for another day wherever you are. So let us give thanks. Make sure no matter what Paris, it doesn't matter what happens through the day as I take you along. So I'm inviting you, if you so care, to come along with me on this journey today. It's another day. We have been granted the gift of life, as I said before. You and I too. Okay? So but as I go there around the house today, I have so much things to do. My refrigerator, I want to sort it out. Me show you when I'm ready what it look like before and when me straighten it out. You know what I'm saying? You know them all the holiday rush up. Well, I don't know, me never night, but you know the kids them, the family, everybody does chuck on. So I plan to give my refrigerator, fresh it up, clean it out and just with a throw. You know them little thing there. Because it's a real life, it's a real thing. So if we go vlog, I'm going to show you how I live sometimes from day to day. I can't show you all the switches stay before I fix it up. If every time it stay good, I'm going to show you. That means it's not real. For me, it's not real. What you think? Comment. So, I'm going to focus on the kitchen here. Well, probably not fully. I want to oil up my machine. I want to do a little sewing probably over the weekend. And so many little things when you're at home what you have to do. As a woman, housewife, if you're not single woman, you know what I talk about. Me and my girl just leave for school and all of that. And I'm just be going around today. I am up, I am giving thanks. I not really feel weak and sit down. And we still say a prayer for those that, are in the hospital. Some of them can't move unless somebody move them. Give thanks, you can move, okay? And you might be up, but you don't have that zeal there. You don't have the will. You don't have that go getting spirit there for jump around. Even if you feel like you're supposed to go to work and you feel like you don't want to go to work. Make it boy. I'm not in the mood for God that chapter today, But guess what? Understand, you have to go on. You can't stay away. You can't afford to lose it yet. It's not going right. It not work right for you. Things not go good. But you still have to panka and go on little. You understand? Because the bills them that if you pay, it have pay the bills them. So just look at the positive side and in the interim you work on the next one. Because guess what? It not go all rain every day. So if you not feel that upbeat spirit there and all of that, and you not feel like you want to push out, follow me around today and see how you can, how we can, even if you feel like you don't want to move, and you just want to lay down and watch me, just lay down and watch me and watch how I go through. Me have issues too, I do. And as I go along today, I'll share a few of them with you. Let me tell you something. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy cometh in the morning. Hold on to your victory, man. Joy soon come. Hold on. Hold on. Once you know you have been good and you have been doing things right and you have been a good boy or a good girl, it no matter what happen, all those them will fall around you. Stay strong. And whilst you're staying strong, cry out. Fight. Fight for good. If it is that good is not around, fight. Fight in silence for the good. Early morning, not me show no outer road. Me show no outside stay. So look here now. I'm on the outside and this is my first little chore for the morning. I just finished put out them towels and probably about 7:30 or something now. And one sheet set and I have two little more something leave inside of the basin for come out. So that's why I tell them I always like wake early. See the morning, bright and pretty at Jamaica, blue skies we're having. Yeah, the sun hot at daytime but really hot, but the breeze are blow right now. I saw the weather stay. So that I'm a little early morning laundry. But on the outside here, so Roxy out for mad them yeah. I love here. Roxy now go and go that all party. You see me have tomato right there, so Yeah, so my tomato look like ananas seed. Yeah, man. Tomato right there, so look like that planty. I just transplant them the other day. So I have one next one there, so. And so I have two big size tree right here, so. Them all a blossom. I don't know if you can see it, say it a blossom right here, so. I wish I had it a blossom. So if Roxy tear it off, see it here right there, so. It a blossom. And I have one soursop tree here, so. Now go on with nothing. And look here. I don't know how many of you remember this lime tree. Do you remember that? Telling us I never da go give up on the lime tree here. See my lime tree here. See it here. See it here. Might have to part from it someday. I'm not sure. Maybe I don't know how things will turn it, but whatever. But me still. Somebody else. Look at it. It's all the best in it, not 100, but I've been working on it. And you know what happened? It bear lime already, you know, time feet bear now again. See it have blossom here, so. But this is my jerk pan, but I need to change it. So I have a new one here inside of the washroom. I wait for my well, I'm kind of busy now. If you just come take off this and put it on the new stand there. So the lime, the jerk pan kind of have it a little weird. It want spray you now to see it there. It blossom, see it here. So don't give up on anything when you're dead, no dash away. Now no call it up here. So my little towel there, my little laundry. I may have 2 sheets around here, so I slap out too. Camera girl sheet, me have it, I slap out. So I still have some little things to come on the outside, come do. I wanna look for me. I am so wet. I am as wet, so me I go on the inside you know, and me I go change, and then I feel like I'm ready to get something to eat. See? So I know we're checking back. Hey Pari, me open now see me. Me dey back right here so now to God be the glory. Me get little minty and me have 2 slices of toast. Aye. When me toast pan that the toaster kill this toast over there so. I'm going to do that. I did drink 1 cup from camera girl I go away. So me grapes from earlier. I did drink 1 cup of a tea, but medicine but tea, Guinean weed. So I did bless that for a long time. So I don't no more grapes now. Alright. See breakfast. I'm open and see me I learn now set me set up camera like me I go and like me I breakfast, I open up it, see? Overnight dumpling, camel dumpling, Jamaican overnight dumpling. And I find 1 egg and I have 1 cup of saltfish if it tastes up my mouth. So God be the glory because enough people not have it. So I tell you say the toaster. It a toasty bread and everything, you know. But the writing, I'm not sure, you know. We're supposed to have 0, 1, high, low, and whatever, bagel and all them, bagel and everything. You know, normally, as you go along in your kitchen, you wipe down your appliances, them. The same thing, what then take print and write, and the write, it gone. So there's no, me have to just know where is where and what is what. Ma? So, I hope you are all following, who are following or understanding. Some people are not Jamaican. So as me go along, I have to try to get your breast. When we say overnight family dumpling, simply means dumpling that we cooked from last night. And not necessarily from last night. We could have cooked it from a day or 2 before. And we have it in the refrigerator and we you know, fry it over. So this is cornmeal dumpling like it was cornmeal dumpling that was cooked. And we fry it over next day or 2 days after. We call it overnight dumpling. For all who are following and they are watching and don't understand when we say Jamaican overnight caramel dumpling. Like a fresh minty, broke piece of mint round her back there. Roxy my fight hard flip up you down. So I give God the glory and I give thanks. Breakfast. Jamaican overnight caramel dumpling mukbang. Remember when you used to go to school party? Theater? Well, what if the kids them go like in town
then do it. Me know them eat over, me know. But when you see we have 2 overnight dumplings, look here. Sometimes none no fry, you know. No oil no if you fry none. Or the hood dead down and nothing like that. The spoon them and make the fire side. A pan heat. Remember you carry water and run to goat. A pan heat your parents, your mother, not your father. Well, fathers do it sometimes too. When your father or your auntie or your grandmother put the dumpling on the fire stone to warm. It can warm up for you get it to eat. With 1 cup of minty, a little fever grass, a little jack in the bush. And we're going to school. And we learned. We did learn. Yeah, comment if you remember those days. If you're somewhere now, in Jamaica, yeah, and you can stay up in your house and watch me and you remember this. You could feel like peace right now when you ask me to come in. Overnight dumpling. I know if you fight. But I'm a pan stone. That thing you must feel. The community, you could see it, you could know no bad. Where do you get me from? Corner school. And lunchtime, I have to walk come home, and when you come home, I go like 2 more pieces left for you. How ya? And me didn't live on the main like in the district. And when you go to school, you know, mischievous kids were from all around from long time. And call you warm dumpling, overnight dumpling, then call you at school. So sometimes them a pass, you know, gonna pass a gas school and see you. Pick down by your kitchen and see you down there. I wait till you cook overnight dumpling and I drink your tea. When you reach at school, yeah, you just all of a sudden you hear overnight dumpling, Debbie. Overnight dumpling, Debbie. Why you never know something did see you? A real Jamaican life, a real Jamaican thing. I think it's a real Caribbean thing too. Oh, I feel good, I feel glad. I guess what? But what up God say? All of my brother and sister them, especially at Jamaica, where food hard for buy. I hope up God so now find something to eat and to give the picnic them this morning. Kinda easy, you know? Not easy at all. But we not fight, or I wasn't. Real breakfast, real Jamaica, you know. And me just toast 2 cups of bread put there. We never toast bread and me just put this away. Nothing like that, yeah. No, but sometimes we don't find one come and fold egg in the onions to fry too, no do. Or sometimes, if come and fold egg in the onions, then go to fry if your daddy or sitting for sometimes. I'm then long time country people in the food too, you see. Trust me, I don't disrespect or nothing. But some of them they too stupid. 2 egg and 3 egg then shine and fullness. Then take your fry give the man. And you pick them off a garden school with the sauce or dumpling. Comment if you know nothing about that. Or some of them that fry the egg then they deserve it. But you know, I'm going already. But a real thing. Oh. I'm finished on the outside. No, I'm not finished. I do my little laundry and something. I mean, I did turn on the fan for me, no lad, me and Uzi there, but you know, no Nancy. He might eat 2 pieces of dumpling too, and some stewed chicken, I have it up for him. But you turn on the fan for me, no Uzi, please, me I burn up. Thanks. So I'm there first time, I don't know attack, I don't know Nancy in front of me, and then I come and say, that's a man still now. Maybe one day. And a whole is not a, he is a very shy person, a very quiet person, yeah? Oh. Mr. Ma, me, the outside, I'm going to show them I put out the supplement so everyone close being dropped from me. So me bend down to pick up my clothes, I bend down to pick up the clothes, me hear crumb, they're right. I don't know what happened, but I hear crumb. So even me, I go down, say, no, I stoop, go down low to take up my clothespin. But if I come up, I can't come up. Like the foot, like, you know. I say, me I come up, you know. Or I come back up in my clothespin and I move off now. I find so the foot hook up. And I end up and walk like the alligator from farm. It's alright. I feel warm some olive oil and rub my foot. So, I finish eating my little breakfast now. I think I'm gonna be going after my little breakfast cycle. I'm gonna be making my bed and fresh up in my room and stuff. And there's a lot, as I tell you, I would like to get done. They say me I go do in my fridge. I'm not sure, but as me go along, we make you know what I want. So Paris, been a long time I not check in back out on her, but you know what happened? I just take up some of my towels them, have them full later. I have about 2 or 3 out there left. But normally when I do laundry, I always wait until I have a bath. I'm a shower in the night and I fold them. So I'm inside of my room right now, and I did not get to do a lot of what, or most of what I tell you I go do. Something else came up and I had to be attending to it, you know, more like on the business side. And you know that is personal, so I'm gonna vlog that and all of that. So I have to do a video for the main channel, which I had included in my list of to do things for today. Sorry, but I'm still gonna do that. So you will check in on the main channel, and maybe you might see that video before you see this little vlog. So even though I had to put off some of my stuff, tomorrow is Thursday, I still want to go down to the farmers market and morning go see if I can get a little knickknacks and stuff, because I haven't been down there about 2 weeks now. So I will make you know if the price then drop and where I go on. And you know what's happened? I was like, during the time I didn't get to do what I wanted to do, I was sorting out some business and stuff. I stopped for a little while after that, and I was like watching this lady, and she was talking about like something was depression. You know, she was trying to share with her, you know, our little, you know, audience, YouTube audience. She's a YouTuber about depression. But you know what I find? I find that after these big holiday season over, like mostly Christmas, when you are a stay-at-home person, that depression, whereas if you're somebody who love celebrate Christmas and put up whole heap of, maybe that's why I'm not bother with that, you know. If you're somebody that celebrate Christmas and is big on Christmas and you stay at home, I always find that after like Christmas you sort of get in a depressive mood, you know. So she was like talking and all of that. So but it's something that you have got to fight against, you know. When you're at home and them depressive feeling come upon you, you always say, I want to go work, you know, I want to go work because I don't want to stay at home no more. But look what happened. Sometimes you want to go out, but the people that are working would love to get a break and to come and to stay at home. So you have to look on it from the perspective there. But when you're a person, and if you know anything about that, or if you have experienced that or experiencing this now, please comment. After a long festive time when everybody, you know, all of that, because sometimes you're going through the depression before, but through the whole of celebrating and everything come, it kind of come and take your mind off it, you know. And then when everything is over and back to normal, then that depression feeling come on. So when it's like that, you've got to learn to control it. You've got to learn to control it, to try to adjust your lifestyle, that you know, not that you overwork yourself, you know, because a lot of people overwork themselves through depression. You know that. If you know anything about that, comment. A lot of people, because they are going through a depressive time, them tend to overwork themselves. No, when you are going through that, you need to rest more. You need to rest. And just to take it slow. So, if it is that anybody is like, you know, watching this now and you're going through a depressive time, I just want to encourage you to be strong, to take it slow, and to know that, look here, nothing doesn't last forever, you know. Just try to take it slow. Try to help yourself too. If you can seek outside help, do that. And some of the times, most of the times, the help that you need is on your own. You know what I'm saying? You have got to learn to adjust. So maybe it is that the next Christmas you just try to just take it easy and go slow, or the next festive holiday coming up, you just don't go overboard, because they are just like sort of, you know, sort of shunning that, and then when it's not really gone, you need to work on it and to let it go. You see what I'm saying? But be strong, be who you are, and never give up, as I always say to you. Because, you know, see me end up like me, they are stay at home now too. Me end up like me turn stay at home. You know, see me turn stay at home, ma'am. But me tired, so I am not really, you know, I am not really taking it
in such a way. I'm just trying to go it one day at a time and all of that. I would love to go back and start doing something, but I've got to work on it one step at a time. You know, go back into my catering and stuff. But I would like to do it a different way, so I'm working on it. But at times, sometimes I feel bored. I'm not depressed. I just try to be, you know, I feel bored and some kind of look away. But I just try to do it one day at a time. So just be strong and all of that. As I was just watching the video, and I said maybe a lot of people are going through this. But look here, sometimes some things you just need to let them go. You know, just a little chit chat from me. So I am about to go to get ready to do that cooking video for the main channel. So you guys will see what it is. You know, I'm not gonna get it from over here, so you want to see what it is. I know you'll check in on the main channel to see what it is. So look here, I am gonna do that, and I'll check in back with you for the rest of the evening before the day out. Cause maybe I'm not gonna do nothing big for dinner, and I'll just check in back when camera girl come. She might check in on one of the little next clip them with me. I don't know, we don't know. We'll see how it go. But as I tell you, I did just get I didn't get to oil my machine. I didn't get to do the refrigerator. You know? So I'm not sure if I can do it early in the morning before I go market. Which I don't know if I want to do that. I just want, as I put off camera girl to school, I just rush go down to the market early. Go see if any little cheapness down there, because I don't have nothing much, you know. So I'll see you in the next clip, eh? Hey, Parry, me I brush off the veranda. Camera girl is home from school, and I say, I guess you'll have to see them, but they'll have to see you before the vlog is over.
Oh God, yes, okay.
Say hi still.
Hi guys.
Okay, me I brush off the veranda. Look at the outside, Parry. You remember this morning when I showed you that the sun was bright and all of that? Look at the outside, we're getting a little rain. Just finished the, I just finished the video for the cooking channel, and what I did, I'll be having it for dinner. So you know, I'm not gonna tell you, I forgot wait until you see it come up on the cooking channel, or if you even see, I don't think you'll be seeing this vlog before. You'll see the cooking channel video, the video for the cooking channel before. But I am brushing off this at the veranda. I want to water my fern. I don't know what I want to feed. You said, look, half a year so kind of dry up on over the other side. I don't know what is happening, but me I got something there. I'm gonna give it some water now. I'm brushing off the veranda. Brushing off means sweeping it off, not fully, you know, just a get a little all of that. So this is what is happening. The sun is the rain is doing down in the evening. My son is at work. Him said it is falling really hard where he is, but it's not really hard here. So me I brush off the veranda. So when you see me in the next clip, my gosh, you will see. As I told you, you know, this vlog won't be up. Today is Wednesday until about Thursday, so you will see what we did, you know. But we'll be having dinner. You'll see what we'll be having for dinner in the next clip, and we're taking it easy now. Generally, after all them be cooking there, we are go slow. So we see you in the next.
I started to.
So you can have your two something.
I started. I started.
Hi Parry, it's never knows the shit. Hi Parry, it's like about 6:15 now. It's dinner time. You know, so we always it's not my dinner. It's not anything too heavy. I'm just having like what I did for the cooking channel, and I know you're gonna see that before you see this little vlog. So. Real kitchen, real thing. Remember, try to remember, if you're new here, you're on this channel just like you were on the cooking channel, try to remember, Paris, that what you see with Jamaican Debbiedebs, it's always real. I don't do fake. Everything is real. I don't do anything fake. Okay, so Dad had to dish that one already, because Dad want to go bed. He say him have a long day and him tired. He just want to go bed and probably get a stretch out. Maybe him just want to go relax and him love news, can watch him news. So, you said you must say to
Hi guys.
I'm not see a long time.
Just take it today? Okay.
A long time?
I'm just going to take 2 minutes.
Yeah, you can make the two for yourself. So tell them what you're having. So guys, sorry, go ahead. So,
okay.
go ahead.
So since we decided to do okra and saltfish, and I don't like okra. I don't like okra because of the slime and everything, but I don't like it anyways. So my mom tried to she mixed up some chicken and I seasoned it up and stuff, and made chicken burgers. I carry that for lunch to school on
Monday.
Tuesday. Yeah, I carried that for lunch to school Tuesday. So
Monday, today is Wednesday. You carried it yesterday, yeah?
yes, mommy. Remember that Monday I didn't go to school? I went to community service one day.
Okay.
Yeah, so there was just there's some seasoned one.
Yeah, homemade chicken burger sparry, chicken burger patties. I'm doing it. She just doing 2 more. So I am gonna share it with you. How we do we use boneless chicken breast, and we did it in the food processor. I'm gonna show you. Take out your food processor, and we did it in there and I seasoned it. So she took 2 for lunch yesterday, so she had left back meat, and you know she picky already. So she have chicken burger, 2 chicken burgers for dinner. And I am having some okra and saltfish with some green bananas for dinner. Hope you can see. So this is good, and this is what I remember telling you I was going to do a video for the cooking channel. This is what I did. So you can go and look and see what I'm preparing. With my okra, my saltfish and the slime in it. I don't do it for this okra slime to run. Because I know some people really can't take it with the slime. I don't mind it. She don't want to eat it. You know? So that's what we're having for dinner. So we're gonna finish it now and fresh up this kitchen, wipe out the stove. Cause tomorrow is Thursday, God willing, I wanna go to the farmer's market. Cause she wants some fruits, cause food start back up and all of that, like even oranges and ripe bananas. So I've got to get up and get going with our lunch. Me a thaw chicken here for me. Some chicken and something for our lunch tomorrow. And all of that. So that's what we are doing at this point. And me I go have dinner. I don't know some eat breakfast today. You know some eat for 5 over dumplings this morning.
Oh yeah, I saw it.
Yeah, she a watch. That's why if you have anything planned for her, I can't vlog it for her. So I am gonna be having this, and we're gonna be finishing up in the kitchen. So after we finish eating dinner inside of the kitchen, I'm just gonna have my bath. After I have my bath, I have my towels to fold. So I'll just check in with you then from my bedroom, and I'll just end the vlog in a decent way. See you in my bedroom in the next clip. So Paris, this is where it's at for today. This is where I'm gonna end this little vlog, round the house vlog, you outside, like a time outside with you for today. You can comment, tell me which was your favorite part. Comment and tell me mine, all of it. I'm always happy to share with you. I'm always happy to be among your company. I'm always happy for you to stick around with me. I'm always happy for you to, share with me, and also for me to share with you. So I didn't have any specific part, but maybe you had favorite parts, so you can comment. So you see me have my towels them. Boy, they are so fresh, they are so nice, all unwashed and drying that nice fresh breeze and all of that. This no washing machine can ever beat these. Just nice and fresh and clean and wash. It's always the best. But you don't know, the machine carry you fast and sometimes box them out fast and all of that, whereas when them not extra dirty. So this is where it's at for now. As I say, I have a few towels there I'm gonna fold and roll, but I am not gonna pack away tonight. Just going to have my teeth clean, I lotion myself, and just gonna get my television on because it puts me to sleep. It is about like 7:30 or 20 to 8 now. This is my time for going to bed, me a fall. So you know what, I'm gonna leave you with this. Weeping may endure for a night, but joy cometh in the morning. Joy cometh in the morning. Weeping may endure for a night. Weeping doesn't mean necessarily crying in here at this point. In this context, weeping doesn't mean necessarily that you're crying. Okay? And the joy cometh in the morning. It doesn't mean that it's gonna come, your joy is gonna come overnight. You'll be going through things, lots and lots of things not going right. Everything you try, it's just going bad. Everything is going downhill. But let me tell you, it will never be like that all the time. It will never rain on you all the time. Okay? So just be strong. If you see a brother or a sister, joy comes before yours, be happy for them. Celebrate with them in a good way. It will help your joy to come faster. Okay? And always, as I always say, never let the evil around you, never let it take control of you. Stay on top of things.